Hello everyone. Welcome to today's full body yoga flow. In today's class, we are going to focus on building strength and improving flexibility with a balance sequence that works your whole body. We'll move through a series of asanas that support balance, strength, and openness, leaving you refreshed and energized. So let's begin in comfortable seated position. As you inhale, sweep your arms to the side and reach up with your fingertips. And as you exhale, side bend to the right. Keep your chest open to the front and lengthen through the left side of your upper body. As you inhale, come back to the center and exhale, side bend to the left, feeling the expansion in the right side of your upper body. As you inhale, come back to the center and exhale, side bend to the right, focusing on making space between your ribs. Inhale, come back to the center and exhale, side bend to the left. And as you inhale, come back to the center. Release your arms. Then extend your fists forward and begin to make circle with your fists. And change the direction. And come back to the center. Then open your palms. Pull your right palm with your left hand backward, feeling the stretch in your right wrist. Then flip the right hand downward, feeling the stretch in the upper wrist. Then change the hand. Pull your left palm with your right hand backward, feeling the stretch in your left wrist. Then flip the left hand. Then shake your hands and release. And let's get into tabletop pose. Keep your knees apart as the hip widths apart. Then extend your hands forward and melt your chest toward the mat, letting your chest sink down between your arms. Allow your chin or forehead to rest gently on the mat. Gently draw your shoulder blades down as you lengthen through your spine. Keep breathing deeply, and with each exhale, melt your chest a little closer to the mat. As you inhale, press your palms into the mat and lift your upper body into tabletop pose. Then bring your left hand behind your back, and with an inhale, open your chest to the left and upward. Softly bring your gaze towards the ceiling. And as you exhale, gently come back into tabletop pose. And this time bring your right hand behind your back. And with an inhale, open your chest to the right and upward, feeling the gentle twist in your back. And as you exhale, gently come back into tabletop pose. Then lift your left knee out to the side and start to draw circles with the knee, keeping your core engaged. And change the direction. Then bring your knee back to the center. Then extend the leg backward. And with an inhale, gently lift it upward, keeping your chest lifted and keeping your core engaged. Then slowly bend the knee. Grab the outer edge of the foot with the opposite hand. And as you inhale, lift it toward the ceiling, kicking your foot gently into your hand. Feel the stretch across your chest and the strength in your back. And gently release the left foot from the pose. And this time lift your right knee out to the side and start to draw circles with the knee. Then change the direction. Then bring your knee back to the center. Extend the leg backward. And as you inhale, gently lift it upward, keeping your chest lifted, gazing forward. Then slowly bend the knee. Grab the outer edge of the foot with the opposite hand. And as you inhale, lift it toward the ceiling, kicking your foot gently into your hand. Keep your breath steady. Feel the stretch across your chest and the strength in your back. And gently release the right foot from the pose. Spread your fingers wide again. Tuck your toes into the mat. And as you inhale, lift your hips upward into downward facing dog. Lengthen through your arms and spine by pressing your palms firmly into the mat. Then bend your right knee, press the left heel into the mat to stretch the backside of your left leg. Then bend your left knee, pressing the right heel into the mat. And bend the right knee and the left knee. Then stretch both of your legs. Bring your feet close to each other. Lift your right foot up. Bend the knee and open the hips to the right into three-legged downward facing dog. Try to lift your right knee more toward the ceiling, keeping your chest facing down. Then stretch the right leg backward again and bring the foot between your hands. Put your left knee down on your mat, square your hips, and as you inhale, reach your hands up towards the ceiling. Lengthen through your spine. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, start leaning backward. Keep your chest lifted and core engaged. Gently press your hips more downward and forward, focusing on melting your hips down. And as you inhale, slowly come back to the center. Bring your right hand down. Inhale. And as you exhale, side bend to the right. Pressing your hips again downward and forward, lengthening through the left side of your upper body. And as you inhale, come back to the center. Bring your left hand down. Then place your right hand next to the inside of your right foot. Lift your left knee off the mat to turn the left foot out to the side, rooting down through the outer edge of the left foot. Then extend your left arm overhead diagonally into extended side angle pose. Sink your hips down, lengthen through the left side of your body from the outer edge of the left foot all the way up to the left fingertips. Then bring your left hand down to the side of your left hip. Stretch your right leg. Place your right hand on the ankle or top of the foot. Then extend your left arm up toward the ceiling and let your gaze follow up into triangle pose. Keep your spine lengthened and your hips open towards the left. Keep your chest expanded. As you exhale, bring your left hand down onto the mat and right foot to the back into high plank pose. Then lower your body halfway into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upper facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lengthen through your arms and spine again. Bring your feet close to each other again. This time lift your left foot up, bend the knee, and open your hips to the left. Try to lift your left knee more towards the ceiling, feeling the stretch in your hips and inner thighs. Then stretch the left leg backward again. Bring the foot between your hands. Put your right knee down on your mat. Square your hips. And as you inhale, reach your hands up towards the ceiling. Lengthen through your spine. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, start leaning backward. Keep your chest lifted and core engaged. And gently press your hips more downward and forward, keeping your spine tall and breath steady. And as you inhale, slowly come back to the center. Bring your left hand down. Inhale. And exhale, side bend to the left, pressing your hips downward again. Lengthen through the right side of your upper body. And as you inhale, come back to the center. Bring your right hand down. Then place your left hand next to the inside of your left foot. Lift your right knee off the mat to turn the right foot out to the side, rooting down through the outer edge of the right foot. Then extend your right arm overhead diagonally into extended side angle pose. Lengthen through the entire right side of your body, feeling the stretch in your hips. Then gently bring your right hand down to the side of your right hip, stretch your left leg, place your left hand on the ankle or top of the foot. Then extend your right arm up toward the ceiling and let your gaze follow up into triangle pose. Keep your spine long and your hips open towards the right. Keep your chest expanded. As you exhale, bring your right hand down onto the mat and left foot to the back into high plank pose. Then lower your body halfway into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upper facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Gently bring your feet between your hands. As you inhale, lift your chest halfway, lengthen through your spine. And exhale, bend forward, hinging from your hips. And as you inhale, lift your upper body, sweep your arms to the side and join your palms. And exhale, bring your palms at your heart center and release your hands. Then open your feet wide. Keep your toes pointing forward. Place your hands on your hips. As you inhale, lengthen through your spine. And as you exhale, bend forward, hinging from your hips. Allow your knees to slightly bend to keep your spine straight. Then grab your big toes. And with each exhale, try bending deeper. Keep your elbows pointing to the side. Lift through your sit bones up towards the ceiling and keep breathing deeply. As you inhale, lift your chest halfway. Bring your hands to your hips and gently come up to the center. And this time interlace your fingers behind. Inhale, lengthen through your spine. And exhale, bend forward, hinging from your hips. And lift your hands up and bring it forward. Draw your shoulder blades towards each other to keep your shoulders wide open. Keep your back flat and spine long. Take some deep breaths. As you inhale, lift your chest halfway. Bring your hands to your hips and gently come up to the center. Then bring your feet close to each other, about hip widths apart. Keep your toes pointing diagonally. And sink your hips down into Malasana. Bring your hands down onto the mat. Then move your hips side to side to soften your hips. And come back to the center. Join your palms. Gently press your knees with your elbows to open your hips a bit more. Keep your spine tall and your shoulders relaxed. Then wrap your right arm around your right knee. Grab your right wrist with your left hand. With an inhale, open your chest towards the left. Softly gaze backward. And exhale, come back to the center. And this time, wrap your left arm around your left knee. Grab your left wrist with your right hand. And as you inhale, open your chest towards the right. Softly gaze backward. And as you exhale, come back to the center. And gently sit down on your mat. Stretch your legs forward. Spread your feet as wide as the width of the mat. As you inhale, lengthen your spine. And exhale, bend forward, hinging from your hips. Grab your ankles or feet. Inhale, lengthen your spine again. And exhale, bend deeper. Try reaching forward with your chest. Keep your spine long and straight. And take some deep breaths, feeling the tension in the backside of your legs melting away. As you inhale, lift your head up and gently come up to the center. Then bring your feet close to each other and gently lie down on your mat. Bend your knees. Keep your feet apart as the hip widths apart. Then grab your ankles or just let your palms place next to your hips on the mat. As you inhale, lift your hips upward. And exhale, bring it down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. As you inhale, lift your hips upward again. Keep your glutes and front thighs engaged. Then bring your hands on the top of your glutes. Gently press into your palms to lift your hips a little higher towards the ceiling, keeping your neck relaxed. Then, if you feel okay to proceed to the wheel pose, place your hands by your ears with your fingers pointing towards your shoulders. And as you inhale, press firmly into your palms to lift your shoulders off the mat, placing the crown of your head. Then press strongly through your palms and feet to lift the crown of your head into full wheel pose. Engage your glutes and core to support your lower back. And if you're feeling safe, try to send your chest forward. And also try to shift your weight slightly towards your knees. And gently start to bend your elbows to place the crown of your head on the mat. Then roll your spine down from the upper back, mid back, and lower back down to the mat. And bring your knees to your chest. Hug them strong into your chest. And rock your back side to side. Come back to the center. Bring your feet down to the mat. Stretch your left leg. Spread your arms out to the side. Then lift your right foot up and bring the knee to the left side on the floor. Press the knee with your left hand and turn your head toward the right. Relax your back and feel the gentle twist in your back. As you inhale, gently come back to the center. Stretch your right leg, and this time bend your left knee, lift the foot, and bring the knee to the right side on the floor. Press the knee with your right hand, and turn your head toward the left. Relax your back, and take some deep breaths. As you inhale, gently come back to the center. Stretch your left leg. Lift your arms and legs up toward the ceiling. Then make a fist and start to make circles with your fist and feet. And change the direction. Come back to the center and shake them strong. And with an exhale, release your arms and feet completely to the mat. Gently close your eyes. Keep your feet apart as the hip widths apart. And let your arms rest by your side with the palms facing up. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any effort in your muscles. Let go of any tension you may still be holding. Begin to bring your consciousness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And turn your head side to side. And gently turn your body to one side. And gently sit down on your mat. Lengthen through your spine, open your chest, and relax your shoulders. Bring your palms at your heart center. And gently open your eyes. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have a beautiful day ahead. See you next time on the mat. Namaste.